Hey, I'm BBQ Bob with the BBQ Guru, and I'm excited again today because we're cooking with Heath Riles from Olive Branch, Mississippi. He's a 4-time MBN Team of the Year. He's a world champion. Dude, what's going on?
What's up, brother?
Good to see you. Today I'm gonna do stuffed peppers 2 ways. I'm gonna do an Italian long hot with ground pork, marinara sauce, and an Asiago cheese. And then I'm gonna do poblano, Mexican style, with black beans and jalapenos, and get some Mexican cheeses on there. It's gonna be awesome. I grew up in an Italian family. We did a lot of Italian foods. Peppers were a big part of that. You got your cheeses, you got your meat, good bold flavors, great appetizer. And it shows people that you can take something as simple as ground pork and make some great dishes with it. And it's easy to do in your own backyard. I'm gonna start with the infamous long hot pepper. These things are in the Italian Philly pork sandwich, so they're well known in this area. And now I'm gonna start with a ground mild Italian sausage. So we're gonna brown this up. Now we're gonna add some marinara sauce. Then we're gonna get some pecorino romano cheese. We're gonna get some flat leaf parsley, Italian parsley. Just a little bit, we're gonna save some for garnish. We do not want to add maple leaves. Maple leaves are
Probably wouldn't be a good flavor.
not good for the Italian dish. And then some black pepper. We're gonna do a little bit of kosher salt.
I mean, I prefer myself like this right here.
Damn!
It's great.
All right, Heath, we're cooked.
It smells delicious.
Thanks, buddy. How about the pork sausage?
Pretty good too.
He's got that stare like, this is nowhere near as good as what I can do.
I've worked with Bob for about, I don't know, 5 or 6 years now, and the BBQ Guru has really helped me be who I am today in barbecue, is more or less how to say it. My cookers just run solid on temp because of BBQ Guru, and I tell anybody that consistency is the key to winning, and BBQ Guru helps me be consistent.
All right, Heath, so on the last long hot peppers, I used a mild Italian sausage. This time we're gonna just use the unseasoned ground pork. So this is just about cooked, and now we're gonna start to add all our other ingredients to give it flavors. We're gonna do some BBQ Bob's Alpha Rub, and this is gonna give it its base flavor. We're gonna get some fresh chopped jalapeno in there, chipotle pepper, Mexican enchilada sauce, a little bit of cilantro, because we're gonna use some for garnish, some heirloom cherry tomatoes, some black beans. Let the beans cook, let the tomatoes cook, let the jalapenos cook, and then we're gonna pull it off, get it in a pan, and when it cools down, we're gonna stuff our poblano. If you're doing delicate foods, kind of use a separate little rack that can accommodate those delicate foods, and place that on your main rack, and then you can lift the whole thing off instead of trying to lift off piece by piece and half of your stuff falling into the grill.
Surprisingly, I don't like a lot of real spicy stuff, and I thought that the peppers was gonna be real spicy, so I thought I was really gonna like the Mexican one. But the Longmire pepper was really, really good with the char on it. It brought down the heat a little bit, and it was just a phenomenal dish. I'll definitely be making it myself coming up.
Oh, wow. Look at that. That cheese is all melted. These are gorgeous. Those peppers are rendered down. Let's get this off the grill. We got some flat leaf Italian. Get some fresh lime juice on the Mexican peppers. Dude, we're ready. We are ready to go. I'm excited. We're gonna go with the poblano first. All right.
What?
Dig in.
That is so good.
What do you think? Just a touch of heat from the...
Just a touch of heat, the cheeses and the pop, but it's so simple to make, especially on a monolith grill. The versatility is amazing, what you can do with the BBQ Guru and the grill. It's an array of flavors in your mouth that's unexplainable. A lot of people use it as probably an appetizer, but I would have it as a dinner if it was me. That is really good.
Thank you.
Really good. The little bit of char that we got on those peppers,
Yeah.
I think really elevated it to another level.
All right, so guys, go to bbqguru.com for recipes, tips, and tricks. Get our rubs there, sauces there, everything you need to cook your own great barbecue in your backyard. Cheers, buddy.
Thank you, bro.